Have you been spending more time procrastinating instead of getting your stuff done? Yeah, you know you have. Don't play. Listen, this video is for you. Today, we're going to talk about how to stop procrastinating and get work done. That's right. We're going to stop procrastinating and get work done. Want to welcome you all to my channel. Before we get started, make sure you click subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of the broadcasts that I post weekly. So we're talking about how to stop procrastinating and get work done. Listen, I know firsthand about procrastination. Y'all, I'm not going to get into why we procrastinate, but y'all know that is a form of self-sabotage. So what I'm going to do at the end of this video, somewhere over there or down in the comments, I'm going to post my video that talks about self-sabotage, because it's real. And a lot of times we're procrastinating because we're self-sabotaging. So I always suggest to my clients, when they are procrastinating so that they can be more productive and get their work done, is I ask them a question. Do you really want to do it? Do you really want to do it? And one of the reasons why I ask that is because it forces them to do a deep dive, a mental confession. They don't even have to tell me. A mental search on self-sabotage. Why they're self-sabotaging themselves? Why they procrastinating? I'm gonna tell you all a story. So when I first began, I started in nonprofit. And so I've told this story before, I'm gonna tell it again. So part of having a nonprofit, you have to call companies in order to ask them for in-kind awards or ask them for donations or with this and that. And I was in the process of hiding at the time. I was terrified. So I went and hired somebody and they failed the assignment. Y'all, talking about a boo-hoo. I was like, I know this is my calling. Why is that so hard? And I had to ask myself, Jackie, do you really want it? And the next question you have to ask yourself, if your answer is yes, what are you gonna do to get it? Now you gotta answer these questions truthfully. You can't be making up lies now or excuses. Okay, because you're not the crippled man sitting by the pool of water of Bethesda, you know, waiting on somebody to put them in the water. Okay, you don't have to wait. So in this particular thing, one of the reasons why I was procrastinating, and I procrastinated at first because I just kept crying. Like, I was procrastinating. I had to, the reason why I was doing it, because I was scared. I was scared because it meant me accepting completely my assignment, okay? My position, my reward, except the fact that I had to be the face of the company, right? I could no longer hide who I was and what I did. And the answer is, did I really want it? Yes, I did. So guess what? Another way besides asking the question is, the why and do you really want it, is to set a deadline. When you set a deadline, this is one of the things. So I had a date. I don't remember what the exact date. I'm gonna say it's February 18th. It was like right after the holiday. And I set a date. I made arrangement already prior to hiring the person. So the next way, this is the next way to stop yourself from procrastinating so you can get stuff done. I was determined to get it done, especially when somebody had said, you're not going to be able to do that. That made me mad. Don't doubt me, honey. Don't challenge me, honey. I'm not the one. Okay? I ain't the one. Don't dare me. Don't doubt me. Okay? Don't nobody doubt me but me. You don't. So I knew that date was happening. And if I did not get a sponsor, that meant I would have to call that person and say, I can't do it. And that was not going to happen. So the date was set. The next step to stop procrastinating is to let that date be your fire. Let it put some zeal up under you. Okay? It'll help you stop procrastinating. And even though you're scared, you're nervous, you don't know if it's going to work or not, get that piney up and do it. Do 9 things toward it. Do one particular thing, 1 to 9 things concerning it. Okay? But get the work done. And as you spend more time working on that project, it'll get easier and easier, right? So because of that, I was like, that's all I had to do. These people were waiting to give businesses money, and I was sitting up there scared. Now, I did have to fire the person. On another note, I had to fire the person because they weren't doing a note. But on a positive note, that taught me that you have to move beyond fear. And that's not what this is about. You listen, I have a 8-day challenge where we talk more about procrastinating. We talk more about self-sabotage. We talk more about how to get motivated, how to plan, and how to get more productive, right? And our productivity challenge. I'm going to put it down below. You want to join the productivity challenge. So what are you waiting for? Click the link that I'm putting in the comments and putting down below this video and join the productivity challenge. Before this video ends, make sure you click subscribe and the notification bell so that you know when another broadcast posts. And check out my video that I'm going to put at the end somewhere about self-sabotage.